need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. So you need me, man, I don't need you. 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 But so you need me, man, I don't. Does he write his own tune? Does he write his own verse? Or need another wordsmith to make the tune sell? Call yourself a singer-writer, you're just bluffing. Names on the credits and you didn't write nothing. I sing fast, I know that all my shit's cool. I will blast and I didn't go to Brit school. I came fast with the way I act right. I can't last if I'm smoking on the crack pipe. I won't be a product of my genre. My mind will always be stronger than my songs are. Never believe the bullshit that fake guys feed to you. Always read the stories that you hear on Wikipedia. And musically I'm demonstrating whether I form life feels like I am meditating. Times at the Enterprise when some fella film me. Young singer writer like a Gabriella Chilney. You need me,